2018 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seat, fog lights, electronic stability control, driver and front passenger heated seats, CD player, heated steering wheel, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, compass, Sirius satellite radio, remote keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.